Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to try out this C.A.T. SRA1, the short round, the mask, dead air mask, and the Silencer Sparrow, but this time we're going to be using CCI Suppressor 22 long rifle, and it's got hollow point, and it's traveling at 971 or 970 feet per second. Sorry about that. We're going to see if the short round is that quiet. All right, first up, we're gonna do the Sparrow. I'm having a hard time screwing this thing on now, so must be really getting some gunk in there. These should be a little bit quieter than the standard velocity, but we will see. Take it off safety. And this is the Silencer Sparrow. I mean, that's quiet. Old school technology, still doing really well. Try the mask. Hardest thing about doing these videos is doing the threading of them afterwards. Doing the threading or screwing the suppressors on the host. Yeah. Sometimes they just don't want to go on. I finally got it started here. Yeah, these things are getting a little caked up now. Wanted to try an experiment I saw online, on YouTube actually, where the guy mentioned that on the baffles, he put a high temperature grease on them. And, you know, just put it on a nice thin coat before he shoots them, and see if indeed it does keep the baffles clean. All right, here's the mask. Wow. Wow, that's crazy quiet. A BB gun's got nothing on this thing. All right, both of those are pretty quiet. Let's see how the C.A.T. does. Is it worth $585? I don't know, man. $585. I guess it depends on what you're going to be using it for. It is really light. It's only 3.3 ounces supposedly, whereas the mask is 6.5 or something, 6.6. The Oculus is like 6.9. So on a pistol, yeah, I think it's probably worth it. On a rifle, I don't know. Even a Silencer Sparrow, which was only $293, that did a pretty freaking amazing job too. All right, take it off safety. All right, here's the C.A.T. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Did I spend my money wisely? And by the way, I don't have any sponsors, so this is my money. One more. That's all I got for you today. Let me know in the comment section what you think, which one you think was quieter, and hit like if you like the video, because I really do appreciate that. Just shows me I'm putting out content you want to see. Subscribe if you'd like. You don't have to, but if you do, great. Bye bye.